Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to change task duration in Libra project. So guys, if you want to change your task duration during duration of your Libra project, so guys, it is very easy. So guys, it is basically no need any hard setting. You simply go to the your direction column. So this is my direction column. If I want to change the direction, so guys, I'm just click it and guys go for the direction. So duration and guys here I'm go for edit for 2 days. After that here you change your working hour, okay, and here the finishing deadline and here is your start your baseline. Okay, if you want to get the estimated, so you just mark as to the estimated. So this question mark indicate around 2 days is our estimated, and here is the percentage. So if you add the percentage, so you also add the percentage. So this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.